Oh, Mars, you got loads of plastic toys here at the Science Museum, but have you got any like this though?
Cool. Did you make that yourself?
Yeah, that's right, I did, you know, and we can actually make some right now. All we need is a basic grocery item that most people have in their fridge. Milk.
Are you talking about making plastic from regular old cow's milk?
Yeah, that's right. Now let's get a move on to the Wonderlab.
Let's go. Every time.
Okay, so you see milk here? It's full of a protein called casein. And these proteins float around in little bubbles called micelles. They're kept apart by negative charges.
Now, when we heat up that milk, add an acid like vinegar, it cancels out those charges. The proteins clump together, unfold, and stick together, and we call this denaturing.
You see all these solids, yeah? That's protein, and proteins are polymers. Long chains of repeating molecules, just like plastic. All right, cool. So now we're gonna strain it so that we can separate the liquid from the solid. Now this solid is called the curd. Now when we squish this goo into a mold, it sets into a solid and it turns into a bioplastic.
Before synthetic plastics came along, factories actually used to use casein plastic for buttons and jewelries. We actually have a few here in our collection in the museum.
You can add colors, glitter, you can make it however you like. And then once it's done, we're gonna cut it into a shape and then put it into a lovely mold.
Even though it's made from milk, you still shouldn't eat it. And if it starts to go moldy, put it in the bin. I am gonna make a dinosaur.
Okay, I'm gonna make a little crown, innit?
Because you're the king of science.
Makes sense.
It's messy, but I love him.
So once you finish colouring and shaping your toy, just leave it out for 1 day and it's going to set into a solid. And it's going to look something like this.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
So there you go. Turning milk into plastic proves that science can help us rethink the potential of everyday products.